Hey guys, I am making a new recipe. This is zucchini lasagna. It's not vegan, as you see. I have the turkey sausage and dairy products, but it is a zucchini from my garden. I did have to buy a couple extra from the store to make up. So you cut it lengthwise in about 1/4 inch slices, and then you see my little pieces here are kind of jacked up. It's kind of hard to cut. But then you saute them or sear them in olive oil, just a couple minutes on each side. Really helps if you cut them correctly so that they can get a nice sear on there. And then this is the turkey sausage. I got it seasoned because a friend told me to try it with the seasoned turkey. So I think it's Jenny O or Jen O, and it was really, really good. And then you add some marinara sauce, spaghetti sauce and tomato sauce or whatever. Probably work just the same, but I did want to follow the instructions. So I bought some marinara sauce, and then you just saute it warm, cook your meat thoroughly, and then you are good to go. That's part of your layers. Now we are making the sauce. I have some fresh basil, chopped it up, put it in my cheese mixture. I had some mozzarella that I shredded and put in there, and this is ricotta cheese. I think, I want to say it's a 15 ounce. You dump it in there, and honestly, I wasn't supposed to put the mozzarella in yet, but it worked out. And then you have your shredded parmesan. This is fresh parmesan. And you put that in there and mix it all up. Put your cage-free, well, you can use whatever eggs, but I use cage-free eggs. There's 2, as you see. Crack them, put them in there, and then at this point I am seasoning it. So I put just a little bit of kosher salt. I don't really do measurements. I kind of just shake and go. Black pepper. For anyone else that cooks lasagna or pasta dishes, things like that, you kind of just do whatever your own seasoning is. That is actually an Italian kind of blend. It had basil and tomato and things like that in there. And then once you got all your seasonings in, then you mix it up until it's nice and creamy. The trick is to make it creamy enough so that it spreads easy enough when you're layering your lasagna. And as you see here, it wasn't really that creamy, but I had a tough time layering this one. So we have your seared sauteed zucchini, and this is showing the first layer, and then I kind of did the second layer. But you do the cheese mixture, the meat mixture, the zucchini, and you just keep layering it. And this is my cream spread poorly across. I think honestly I should have made some more. And then you have your cheese blend. I did this a while ago, so I'm not sure. I can't think of what kind of cheese it is. Probably a Colby Jack Monterey mix or something like that, but you use your own cheeses. Put it in the oven about 375 for about 30 minutes, and then you sear the top of the cheese, broil it for 5 minutes, and then voila. I broiled mine probably just a little bit too long. It's a little crispy, a little brown, but look at that steam and look at that. Ooh, so good. So good, guys. So go ahead and try. Ask me any questions if you like. This was a yes.